Cryptocurrency mining is a fascinating process. It is the backbone of many cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. In simple terms, it's how new coins are created and transactions are verified. Think of it like digital gold mining. Instead of digging for precious metals, miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When a miner solves the problem, they get to add a new block to the blockchain. The blockchain is like a public ledger that records every transaction. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive newly created cryptocurrency. This process not only secures the network, but also ensures its integrity. It is a crucial part of the decentralized and trustless nature of cryptocurrencies. The blockchain is a revolutionary technology. It acts as a digital ledger that is distributed across a network of computers. Imagine it as a chain of blocks, with each block containing a record of multiple transactions. These blocks are linked together chronologically and cryptographically, making it nearly impossible to alter past transactions. This immutability is one of the key features of blockchain technology. It ensures transparency and prevents fraud. The decentralized nature of the blockchain means that no single entity controls it. This distributed ledger system enhances security and makes it resistant to censorship. Cryptocurrency mining involves solving complex mathematical problems. Miners compete to find a solution that satisfies specific criteria. This process is computationally intensive and requires significant processing power. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block to the blockchain. This block contains a record of verified transactions. Miners verify these transactions by checking if the sender has sufficient funds and if the transaction is valid. Once the block is added to the blockchain, it is broadcast to the entire network. Other nodes then verify the block and its transactions, ensuring consensus and security. Over time, mining hardware has evolved significantly. In the early days of Bitcoin, miners used CPUs or central processing units to mine. However, as the network grew, GPUs or graphics processing units became more efficient. GPUs are designed for parallel processing, making them well suited for the complex calculations involved in mining. FPGAs, or field programmable gate arrays, offer even higher hash rates and energy efficiency. Today, ASICs, or application-specific integrated circuits, are the most powerful mining hardware available. ASICs are specifically designed for mining a particular cryptocurrency, providing unmatched performance. Section 5. Building your mining rig, a step-by-step guide. Building a mining rig can seem daunting, but it's a relatively straightforward process. First, you'll need to choose your mining hardware. Consider your budget, the cryptocurrency you want to mine, and the electricity costs in your area. Next, you'll need a motherboard, RAM, storage, and a power supply unit, or PSU. Make sure all components are compatible with your chosen mining hardware. Once you have all the parts, you can assemble your rig. Connect the mining hardware to the motherboard and install the operating system. Finally, download and configure your mining software. Mining pools allow individual miners to combine their computing power. By joining a pool, miners contribute their hash rate to the collective effort. This increases the chances of finding a block and earning rewards. When the pool successfully mines a block, the rewards are distributed among the participants. The distribution is typically based on the amount of hash rate contributed by each miner. Mining pools provide a more consistent stream of income compared to solo mining, especially for miners with limited resources. Solo mining offers the potential for higher rewards. If you successfully mine a block on your own, you get to keep the entire reward. However, the odds of finding a block solo are extremely low, especially with the increasing network difficulty. Pool mining, on the other hand, provides a more predictable income stream. The rewards are smaller, but more frequent. However, pool mining often involves fees and may require sharing your mining rewards with the pool operator. Several factors can impact mining profitability. The hash rate of your mining hardware plays a crucial role. A higher hash rate means you can perform more calculations per second, increasing your chances of finding a block. The difficulty of the network is another important factor. As more miners join the network, the difficulty increases, making it harder to find blocks. Electricity costs can significantly impact your profitability. Mining is energy-intensive, so lower electricity rates can boost your earnings. Numerous online calculators can help you estimate your mining profitability. These calculators consider factors such as your hash rate, electricity costs, and the current cryptocurrency price. Mining software often includes built-in tools for tracking your earnings. You can monitor your hash rate, estimated earnings, and other metrics. Additionally, several websites and mobile apps provide real-time information on mining profitability and other relevant data. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content.